should know that some Ford vehicles or equipment packages may not include a spare tire. Instead, you may have a tire inflator and sealant kit. The kit allows you to temporarily fix most flats without requiring a tire change, which means no need to use a jack or lift a spare tire. And it only takes a few minutes, plus time to visit a repair facility for inspection. The kit is located in the cargo area in a foam holder. It contains an air compressor to reinflate your tires, complete with an air hose, pressure gauge, valve connectors, and sealant compound. To use it, first make sure your car is safely off the road and away from traffic, and that you've set your parking brake. You'll also want to leave your engine running outdoors or in a well-ventilated area so that your battery doesn't drain while you're using the compressor. Keep in mind, if there is damage to the sidewall, contact roadside assistance, as this type of damage cannot be repaired using the kit. First, you'll need to seal and reinflate the tire by using the sealing compound along with air from the compressor. To begin, remove the valve cap from your tire's valve. Unwrap the black hose and fasten it to the tire valve by turning the connector clockwise. Then, plug the compressor into one of the 12-volt outlets in your vehicle. Turn the dial clockwise to the repair position. Press the on button and inflate your tire. Keep in mind, while the sealant is being pumped into your tire, you will see an increase in your tire pressure reading. Don't worry, this is normal, and once all the sealant has been pumped into the tire, the pressure reading will drop. Now, to reinflate the tire, keep the dial in the repair position. Continue filling the tire with air from the compressor until the pressure gauge reaches the pressure listed on the tire label on the inside of your driver's door. Then, turn the compressor off and read the gauge. If you haven't reached the correct pressure within 15 minutes, contact roadside assistance. If you find that you need more air, turn the compressor back on for a few moments. When you're at the right level, turn off and disconnect the compressor. Replace the valve cap on the tire valve and store the compressor properly in your vehicle. You should immediately drive your car 4 miles to make sure the sealant is distributed evenly throughout the tire. If anything seems unusual while you're driving, pull off the road and contact roadside assistance. After you've driven the 4 miles, stop and check your tire pressure again by connecting the black hose to your tire valve stem and reading the gauge on the kit. If you need to add more air, set the dial to air, turn it on, and fill it to the right level. Once you've completed the repair, drive to your nearest Ford dealer or tire repair shop to have the tire inspected. Do not exceed speeds of 50 miles per hour or drive more than 120 miles. Keep in mind that your tire is only fixed temporarily and that you need to get a proper tire repair or replacement as soon as possible. Also note that the sealant cartridge can only be used once, but your compressor may be used over and over. Oh, and once you've used sealant in your tires, your tire pressure monitoring sensor and the valve stem on the tire must be replaced. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.